What's up, guys? Mike here, and look what I bought. Let me open this. Let's just get this video going here. Now, I know it looks bad, but there's thousands and thousands of dollars in parts on this car. It's got some really expensive up pipes and the downpipe and all this other stuff that I had to look up. It's on full coilovers. Whoa, almost fell. And it's got a expensive exhaust on it. This is actually a an 05 Wrx. Right now I'm by myself and I'm struggling to get this off the trailer because it's sitting so low. Oopsie. But want to make a video. I'm not sure what to do with this. Part of me wants to keep it and fix it, and the other part of me just wants to get rid of it. I can either just get another motor for it or something, or buy one that's been wrecked in the rear, throw the motor in this, and then I have a complete car. There's probably about $3,000 of aftermarket parts in terms of retail prices on the car that I've looked over. It's got a lot of electronic stuff inside of it and things like that that came with it that was unhooked and stuff like that and put in bags. Harnesses were disconnected. But anyways, the problem with this is a salvage car, obviously, so in order for me to get this to be rebuilt, I'm gonna have to have it running and driving to where it can pass inspection. So that's a long way down the road. That's why I'm thinking about selling it as is for somebody who wants to just fix it as a track car, or take all the parts off of it, whether they need doors, trans, the rear diff, all that stuff, because I'm sure this has some sort of value to it. And I'm seeing people putting 2JZs in these things now. But I just want to make a video. This is was kind of an impulse buy. I really didn't have to pay anything for it. I just had to go pick it up, and now I have it, and now I can't get it off the trailer without really getting it. You know, I don't want to damage it anymore underneath or get it stuck. But trying to do this properly. It'd be one thing if I had a second person, but I've had to jack it up because I couldn't open the door right here. Had to jack it up, put wood underneath the tire to open the door. But then I realized I just use my winch and pull it forward so I can get in and out, and I got a remote control winch that lets me go down. But this is the Subaru, and thanks for watching. If you have any input whether I should keep it or flip it, let me know. This thing is just, it's got potential, but it needs a lot of love. And honestly, I don't really see a whole lot of these cars anymore. I imagine that's probably for good reason as well. But and this is I believe this is original color. The inside of it is red, the doors and all that stuff. So I'm not really familiar with seeing these red. I've seen them black and blue, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Mike signing off because I've got work to do.